So I'm setting up my Microsoft Surface Book 2, and I don't want to do the Microsoft account BS. Nobody likes that shit. And so how do we get rid of that? Well, you get the command prompt to pop up by typing or holding Shift and F10 at the same time. If that doesn't work, then what you want to do is hold Shift the FN key plus F10 at the same time. Then it will definitely pop up. That's what happened to me. Next, once the command prompt pops up, you want to type it in exactly this way. OB/bypass NRO. It has to be exactly that way or it won't work. So now let's hit enter and see what happens. Oh snap. I think now what it's going to do is just bring us right into a local account. I just found this out, so I'm pretty stoked. Been building computers for a long time and dealing with this shit for several years. So it's nice to have a legit alternative to doing this without having to use like a hacked version of Windows that doesn't even ask that. Windows updates just keep fucking everything up. So I'm trying to stay as legit as possible. Any day now. I mean, the process is done. I just want to show you that it worked. I will say I'm not liking how slow this process has been. I may have to take this whole thing apart and upgrade the SSD. And that's definitely not something I want to do. Pixel Arena. So the other thing you could have done was when it asked you to connect to the internet, you could have said skip for now. I don't like doing that because then you don't always get the right updates. I feel like if you do the updates during the setup process, it's much better. Like the system already knows what it has and it's already installed it. You don't gotta sit there and wait for the updates to find everything, and sometimes it doesn't. But when you do this, you're able to do the updates and bypass the sign-in, which is pretty sweet. I don't know why it's asking for me to sign in. We're not gonna sign in.